In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Mozilla Firefox to remember login information on internal sites so you can save time and avoid typing the same usernames and passwords over and over again. This is a simple Firefox setting, but it can make a big difference if you regularly sign in to company portals, school systems, admin dashboards, or any internal website you use often. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. This is the icon with the three horizontal lines. When you click it, a menu will appear with several browser options. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page, where you can control browser behavior, privacy options, and saved login preferences. Once the settings page loads, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. This is the area where Firefox manages saved sign-ins and automatic form entries. Now, under Passwords and Autofill, find the option that says Ask to Save Passwords. Check that box to turn it on. When this setting is enabled, Firefox will prompt you to save login information whenever you sign into a website. That means the next time you visit an internal site, Firefox can remember your credentials and make the login process much faster. If you use multiple internal sites every day, this setting can save a lot of time and reduce the chance of mistyping your password. It is especially helpful for users who need quick access to work systems or private portals. Just remember that saved passwords should only be used on devices you trust and have secured properly. Once the box is checked, you can close the Settings tab or simply leave it open if you want to review other password options. From this point on, Firefox will be ready to ask you whether you want to save your login information the next time you sign in. And that's it. You've now set Mozilla Firefox to remember login information on internal sites. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple browser tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.